Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. We have already announced that we are going to teach crash batch of CA Inter in 500 hours. That means in a detailed manner, we are not going to leave any single chapter. We are going to cover everything. We are going to cover all the chapters. Of course, 400 hours of teaching will be there through online classes and remaining 100 hours of classes will be provided through video lectures. Some institutions are offering CA Inter crash batch coaching in just 250 to 300 hours, and they are going to teach in a very brief manner, and they are forced to leave, uh, forced not to teach even some important chapters also. Since the number of hours are very less, it's not possible to give coaching. It's only possible to give some brief guidance. That's it. So as a result, what happens is they are forced to leave some important chapters also, since they cannot justify everything in just a matter of 250 to 300 hours. Considering all these factors, we have decided to offer coaching, crash batch coaching in a very detailed manner for 500 hours, and we have decided to teach everything. Fortunately, we are very proud that students have accepted our strategy and they are willing to join for a detailed crash batch coaching being offered by us, and they are not ready to join coaching in the institution who are going to give only brief coaching in 250 to 300 hours. So we are quite happy that we are able to satisfy the needs of the students. That is why, as a result of which, several such institutions who offered crash batch coaching in just 250 to 300 hours are now forced to change their coaching pattern so as to match with us. We are very happy that they are just following us blindly. Several years back, we were the first to introduce the concept of pre-results crash batches, and we are quite happy that today several institutions are taking us as a role model and they are following us. We don't have any objection, even if n number of organizations follow us, no issue at all. So they are taking us as a role model, so it's a proud moment for us. We also came to know that several institutions are not offering crash batch coaching for group 1. They are offering crash batch coaching only for group 2. We really stunned by knowing that fact. So I think they are not concerned about the students. But don't worry, we are very much concerned about the students. For us, numbers are not so important. Even though everybody knows that for group 1 crash batch numbers will be less, we are ready for that. Even if numbers are going to be less, we are ready for that. So numbers are not criteria, money is not criteria, profits are not criteria. We need to serve the student community. That is our only objective, that with which we are running this organization. That's why we have decided to offer crash batch coaching for group 1 as well as group 2, even though the numbers are very less for group 1, no issues at all. So we are confident that we'll get reasonable numbers for group 1 also. Even if they don't come, we don't have any issue. So we are ready to run the group 1 crash batch irrespective of the number of admissions. Thank you. All the best.